Well, look, it's time to get to a little coast to coast, and I'm going to answer that question. Why? Because you know what? Trae Young was on fire. He dropped 31 points in the first half.
First half.
7 made threes in just 20 minutes. But, Matt, is DeJounte and him the best backcourt in the East?
This is to be determined. They have the talent to definitely be the best backcourt, not only in the East, but arguably in the game. But we're going to have to see how their games can mesh and become one, because these are both guys that, need the ball in their hand to be at their best.
Well, that's going to be tough, because I want to see DeJounte defense. That's what I want to see from him. I don't want to see points. That's what I want to see, if he can be that defensive guy in the backcourt. But let's take it coast to coast to Dallas. Over the weekend, Luka Magic and the Mavs lost to Orlando, but Luka still put in work, 16 points in 18 minutes, and had 5 dimes to boot. Will this be Luka's MVP season? He's been leading going into each season the last 3 years.
No, it won't, because I got Anthony Davis winning MVP this season. But I will say this. We just need to see Luka be more consistent. And when I say consistent, I'm not talking about his game. I'm talking about his habits outside of basketball. I don't want to read story this season about him having to lose 10 to 15 pounds. He looks in phenomenal shape. You got to sustain that throughout the course of the season. Consistency.
Yeah, well, he's coming straight from Euro basketball. But we're going to stick with you, Perk. Can we have a moment here and talk about what your boy Derek Wright did to LaMelo? Is it the? Come on now. He smoked it, but.
I think that was a wet spot on the floor. Don't you think?
Yeah, definitely wet after he slid on it.
After he
He's
toe
just trying to avoid injury.
Oh, I don't
you
know.
gotta help LaMelo out there.
That's an ankle breaker. I'm sorry. You just cut the highlight. You cut because he got fouled too.
You guys are killing him. How many times you show that already?
Look, he gets up and gets fouled. It's okay to not make it if you cross the ball.
If I was LaMelo, I would have tackled him. He just bumped him. I would have went for his waist.
He got up.
Yeah, but
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.